guys, we just slaughter pig and now we are ready to slaughter the two chicken also. So now guys, I'm ready to cut the throat.
Okay.
So now guys, it's my turn. So bye bye chicken. So we will put it here. So this is the pig we just slaughter and the chicken. See guys, finally. So our hand is very, so she take off already her gloves. My hand now is very sweaty. See, guys. See, and especially our boots very sweaty inside. Our feet is very sweaty. See, oh gosh. look at our feet. See? And see? Even the here. Oh gosh. Wow. Sweaty feet. It's more than, I think it's 2 hours. 2 hours guys we wearing the boots since we slaughter the pig. See, I feel my feet is shaking. See, it's getting tired. So guys, ibabad muna namin yung manok dito. So, lagay dito. Wala na si Karen guys, nag-aral siya. So kami na lang ang nag-continue dito na magtanggal ng balahibo. Daghanay sudan si M. Ron. Pang isa na ni kasi mana M. Mamat-amat. Sugba lang eh.
Ay ko, tanbek.
Butangan na to ni kuan kapayas. Sa sunod na punta maglitson.
Sa daw di buni justice.
Hapit na.
Ay tubig.
Meron ba tanong tubigan?
Mario?
Asa mo ha?
Gigi. Chat ni mo si Mario tiyo.